This is just a quick video to talk about the boot or trunk opening on the Polestar 2. In many reviewers' videos, people can complain basically about how low down the kind of rear hatch handle is, right under the license plate, and they say how filthy it gets and has poor positioning. But in fact, there's 4 different ways that you can open the boot on the Polestar 2. So this is a quick video just to show you how. Pop outside in the cold and do this one quickly. Okay, so option 1 is the way they talk about in most of these videos. There's a little handle just under here. You press it and the boot opens up. And then with all of these, if you want to close the boot again, you can push this button in any of the modes and that's going to close it. This button here is how you can lock and change the height of the boot. So basically you just will pull on the boot, adjust it to the size you want, press and hold that, it will lock the position, and you can just kind of push it back up again, whatever position. So this is handy if you park in a low garage or something. So let's push that to close. And then let's talk about the second way that you have to open and close the rear boot on the Polestar 2. Okay, so option 2 is with the key. So this button here is the button to open and close the trunk. So push, hold this button, and the trunk boot will open. Push and hold it again. It closes again. Okay, the third way, and perhaps my favourite way to open the boot on the Polestar 2 is with the leg kick. Quick kick underneath. There's a sensor that runs and sees along here. That allows you to simply close again. So that's 3 different ways so far, and now we're going to pop inside for the 4th way. Okay, so the 4th way is with a little button just here by the brightness screen adjuster button. So you press and hold this, and it opens, and you press and hold it again and it closes. So there you go, quick and simple, 4 different ways that you can open and close the boot and or trunk, depending where you're from, on the Polestar 2. So no need to worry about getting your hands dirty when it's all muddy on the handle. I think you probably hardly ever use that one.